Ciele Athletics is a Montreal-based company that is catering to the running community. It has been established in 2014. Their goal is to aim for movement, cooperation, connection, community. We work toward functionality for performance and also protection throughout different systems. We have been working with suppliers all over the world, including Europe, Asia, and now Canadian factories, and it's been growing a lot in the last years, going international.
So we decided to move to the PLM solution for three main reasons: growth of employees, growth of suppliers, and growth of product lines. Ciele is special because from the beginning we've been taking very seriously what everybody else is considering as being like an accessory. Taking a cap and really inquiring, making it a super technical piece, and it's what has been giving us an edge versus the competition. At the beginning, we had one style for SKU. And you look at now, 10 years later, we have 200 styles and 400 SKUs. The outdoor industry has been less and less predictable over the years. Having a PLM solution helps the supplier believe in us.
The business has been more and more complex because we've added players in our team, which makes a lot of different people work together, sometimes in a good way, sometimes harder way. We have a lot of people working towards the same goal with different perspective on the product.
This growth came with growth pain. You start from a super small company. There were only the two founders at the beginning, to now we're about like 20 people in the company.
Centric PLM will help us standardize our processes to work more efficiently together. As a production coordinator, my challenges are based on finding information to send out to different suppliers, distributors, retailers, etc. They go into the different departments to find information, and everything's stored differently in a different way for all those different people. So I've tried, with my knowledge and the tools that I had in hand, to create this gigantic spreadsheet where we could find all of the information from product description to costing to suppliers, but I had to rebuild it over and over for different perspective or angles depending on the needs.
Because when you have a file that you share with everyone, for sure at some point, you have many versions and mistakes happens all the way.
Bertrand mentioned that there was some system that do exactly what I was trying to do, but in a more concise way.
It was time to move to a PLM solution.
I said, yes, this is what we need, exactly what we need. Using Centric PLM will help reduce stress and give me way more time to do creative things instead of just gathering data.
Sustainability has always been very important for Ciele Athletics. Jumping with B Corp was to us a no-brainer. Even if we know that none of all these certifications are perfect, B Corp for us was the best. Because it's not only being sustainable, it's kind of a better ethic globally. Having a certification like B Corp implies the follow-up of every certification that your partners are carrying. Could be like a fair trade, could be blue sign, could be GRS. Thanks to Centric PLM, we can just track certificates and know when they're due to be renewed. Getting these reports is easy. It's one click.